Unraveling, Conduct an Analysis, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, conduct an analysis. Whether you're reading an academic paper, attending a business meeting, or simply watching the news, this phrase pops up quite frequently. So, let's break it down together and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. Conduct an analysis combines two important words, conduct and analysis. To conduct means to carry out or to perform an action. It's like conducting an orchestra, where the conductor leads the performance. Analysis, on the other hand, refers to a detailed examination of the elements or structure of something, typically as a basis for discussion or interpretation. When put together, to conduct an analysis means to carry out a systematic examination or evaluation of something in detail. It could be data, a document, a system, or even a situation. The goal is to understand it better, to uncover new insights, or to find solutions to problems. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Academic research, when scholars examine data or theories to support their hypotheses. Business settings, companies analyze market trends to make informed decisions. Technology, IT professionals conduct analyses to improve software or network security. Everyday life, analyzing reviews before purchasing a product online. Remember, whenever you're looking at something with the intent to explore it deeply and systematically, you're aiming to conduct an analysis. To help you better understand how to use the phrase, here are a few examples. 1. The team decided to conduct an analysis of customer feedback to improve their services. 2. Our goal is to conduct a thorough analysis of the data before presenting our findings. 3. The study conducts an analysis on the impact of social media on teenagers. Notice how the phrase fits seamlessly into different scenarios, illustrating its utility and relevance across various subjects. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at what it means to conduct an analysis. We hope this video helps you grasp not just the definition but also the practical applications of this phrase. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in understanding the nuances and applying them in real-world contexts. Happy analyzing, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.